Hey guys, it's Andrea here. Welcome and welcome back to my channel, aka my internet home.
Alright, they asking for the queen. I'm a bad bitch, she's a savage. Look back while I twerk. No comparison.
So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a what's in my bag work edition. But before we get into the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification button so you are notified every single time I post, because I am on my way to 3K and I want you guys with me every step of the way. Now that that's all done, let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so like I said in my intro, today I'm doing a what's in my bag work edition. So it's gonna be a what's in my bag as an office administrator, administrative assistant, office associate, because that's what it's called at my job. It's called like the office associate, but it's kind of like I'm the administrative assistant because there is an executive assistant and I'm the administrative assistant, and then there's also like an office. It's a lot, okay? It's a lot. We're just gonna get right into the video. Okay, so this is the bag I have right here. This is the bag I've been carrying for work. It is this, I don't know the name of the specific bag. I know it's a bucket bag and it's from Ralph Lauren. It's Lauren Ralph Lauren. I'm not really sure how much this bag cost because my boyfriend did get this bag for me for Christmas. So I'm not really sure, but if I find the link for the bag, I will link it down in the description box below. Make sure you check that out if you guys are interested in this bag. So the first thing I would have in my bag is not in my bag right now because I'm actually using it. It is this water bottle right here. I got this water bottle off of Amazon, so if you guys are interested, it would be down in the description box below and also linked in my Amazon storefront. I've been trying to drink more water and this water bottle helps me, so it just gives me like the times when I should be drinking water or whatever. I don't know what time it is right now. It's 1:30, so I'm like good on time right now. I need to refill it for like 2. It's 1:30, so I need to drink this and then refill it. So each day that I fill this up twice, that is half a gallon of water. I know a lot of people are like, oh, you should drink a gallon of water each day. It's a lot easier said than done because I struggle to drink water. I always want some type of taste to whatever I'm drinking, you know? Like I like juice, I like ginger ale, I like lemonade, I like iced tea, I like sweeter things. Water does have a taste, but it's a very bland taste and I don't really care for it that much. But at my office they do offer like flavored water, so sometimes I fill up my water bottle with like lemon water and I drink that throughout the day. The second thing that would be in my bag would probably be my lunch. I do try and pack lunch for work because I'm trying to save money, and I realize I spend the most money on like food and clothes, so that's also something that would be in this bag. Now for things that are actually in this bag right now, the first thing I have is this notebook, my burn book or whatever. It's my burn book of secrets. No, not really. It's just a regular notebook that I put things in, like if there's something that I need to do, like for instance, who to call during what events, who is my connect within the job, like who do I call first for certain things. Yeah, just like really specific things like that with people's like names and numbers and stuff, just so it's easier for me to like look at it in my notebook. So that's my burn book. The second thing I have in my bag are these pens. I specifically like gel pens. That's just a me thing. I don't necessarily leave this in the office. I might just leave like the black ones, but the blue ones though, the blue ones stay with me. I'm sorry, you cannot use my blue gel pens. I do not care. I do not care. But I'll probably leave these black ones in the office just because I like to write with gel pens. Another thing I have are these highlighters. I haven't broken the highlighters open yet because I don't necessarily need them so far. So yeah, I don't know. I feel like over time I probably will need these highlighters just in case, but so far I haven't needed these highlighters. But one day I know I will. Next thing I have are these like little mini post-its. I didn't open these either, just because we already have post-its in the office, but these are like really, really small ones. So next thing I have in my purse is my keys, of course. I also have pepper spray on my keys, so don't mess with me. I got these 2 little chimes, like this one's an owl and this one's an ice cream cone. I got them both from my friend Chase, from this job she was working. They had like really cute features. So keep that in there as well. Oh, I always keep an extra phone charger. Like I have a charger that I keep at home and then a charger I keep in my bag, just because, you know, I plug in at work. Well, I call it plugging in. I plug in at work, so I like usually listen to music. If, you know, nobody's really talking to me. I like to charge my AirPods so that they don't die throughout the day, because I really need the music to go back home. Like, I can go without music at work, but I cannot go without music while I'm on my way home, because I take the subway. I live in the city. I live in New York City. I say this in almost every video. It is okay to take the subway. A lot of people don't know how to drive in New York, okay? A lot of people actually just don't know how to drive in general, but a lot of people just don't drive in New York, and we just take mass transit, okay? It's okay. Next thing I have in my bag are some masks. Just keep a couple black ones. If I'm wearing makeup at the office, I'd probably wear like one of those blue, the ones where you throw away, like those blue surgical masks. But if I'm not wearing makeup, I probably do a reusable mask, just so I'm not like wasting masks, I guess. Y'all, I can't wait for Corona to be over, because I hate wearing masks. I'll probably still wear masks like on the train and stuff, but like. Next I have in my bag is this deodorant from Native Deodorant. This is the coconut and vanilla one. I used to have like a small travel size deodorant. I don't know what happened to it. I went out one day and I guess I left it in the bathroom at some place when I was touching up. Now I just have like this full size one. It's kind of on the emptier side. That's why I like put it in my bag. My full one stays at home. I also have my Got to Be glue spray, my little mini Got to Be glue spray, because sometimes I don't like the way my hair be looking. So sometimes I will take my whole wig off and replace it, like reset it on my head and then spray it down. Or if I sweat and my lace starts lifting, or if it was raining and my lace gets wet and my lace starts lifting, I do not want to be in these people's office for about 7-8 hours, however many hours I stay there for, with my lace lifting and saying how like being at the front desk, like where people come in and people talk to you and people ask you questions. I don't want to look crazy. I want to look presentable and respectable. How many people are gonna respect me if my lace is lifting? How many people are going to be listening to what I'm saying if my lace is lifting up off my head? No one, okay? No one. So I make sure, just in case that happens, I have a little mini glue or spray or something just to like keep my hair together, because honestly, there was this one time I was so embarrassed. I wasn't at work, but I went out to like eat, or we were out at a club and my lace started lifting, and it was just bad, y'all. So after that, I decided I was gonna keep some Got to Be glue in my bag. Next thing I have in my bag is hand sanitizer. This one's from Suave, and it's the pink honeysuckle with aloe and moisturizer. I love this one because it makes my hands feel, it does have moisturizing qualities. It keeps my hands nice and moisturized and really soft, and it smells really good. I don't like using plain hand sanitizer, okay? I just don't. It needs to have the scent. That's what I like. Next, this one's an old one, but I always keep a Tide to Go pen in my bag because, again, working in an office and then being like at the front, being like quote unquote the face, when you walk into the office, like I'm the first person people usually see. I don't want to have a stain on my outfit if like I got makeup on my shirt, or if I got some food on my shirt. I don't like to look disheveled. I don't like to look like I was in a rush. I don't like to look messy. I like to look as put together. Like I like to look like I have a team with me and we keep me moving at all points. Like we keep it together at all times. So I always keep this because I think this is really great in case like you drop something on yourself, or like your makeup is on you, you just real quick, you know, just real quick, and it dries up and it's clear, good to go. I don't want people looking at my stains. I want people to be looking at me, okay? Me. This right here is the money maker. That's what I want you guys to look at. Y'all, before I keep showing y'all what's in my bag, did you subscribe to my channel yet? Because if you haven't, I don't understand why not. Hit that subscribe button. Thank you. Next thing I have in my bag is this lotion from Bath and Body Works. This is the Japanese black cherry. Oh, this is the Japanese cherry blossom lotion. It smells so good, you guys. So I keep this in my bag because, you know, sometimes you be ashy, sometimes it gets cold outside, you get ashy. When I wash my hands, I don't like when my hands feel dry, so I always put moisturizer on after I wash my hands when I go to the bathroom. I like to be moisturized. I like to look good, I like to smell good, I like to be moisturized, okay? So after that, I have like some miscellaneous stuff in here. I have a taser in my bag. So Yes, it is a taser. It does work. Do not play with me because I'm not playing with y'all. Don't play with me. You're not gonna catch me slipping. That's how I feel. You just not. I'm not the person to try. If you see me walking by myself and you think you're gonna try me, you gonna get got. You think you're gonna get me? I'm gonna get you first, okay? I have pepper spray and I have a taser. Don't play with me. Next thing I have in my bag is this Kapari lip glossy. So it's kind of like a lip moisturizer. It's basically just like coconut oil in here, and it acts as like a clear lip gloss as well. I really like it. It smells good. It doesn't necessarily taste like anything, but for the days where I'm like not wearing makeup but like brows are on, lashes are done, lip gloss is all you need. This is what I'm pulling out right here, my clear lip gloss. Bottom of that, I have some gum because I saw that commercial. Was it a commercial or was it like a social experiment? And it was just like, people like you a little bit better. People like you a little bit better. They think you're a little cooler. They think you're a little more attractive if you're chewing some gum. So part of the reason why I carry some gum. Also because, you know, what about if I eat something that's really garlicky and my breath smell like garlic? I'd rather it smell like mint. So, and then I have, oh, this is for my tripod that my camera is actually on. I took this part off because apparently my camera is too heavy for this right here. Like this is supposed to, this top part right here, this ball, like when you press it right here, it's supposed to like be able to move around really freely. So, and when you don't press it, it's supposed to stay, and it gives a lot more resistance, as you guys can see. Like it's a lot more resistant. But when I put my camera on it, it's like my camera is so heavy, it makes it move like this all the time, and it doesn't really stabilize my camera. So I took it off and I just had it in my bag. Next thing, so that was for like the base of my bag. Then I have like this little small pocket right here. So I'm just gonna show you guys what's in there. My card holder, this is my YSL card holder. So it has like my Metro card, my debit card, my ID, some other credit cards, and you know, miscellaneous things like that. My boyfriend got me this little card holder as well. So shout outs to him because he keeps me drippy. Then I also have my AirPods. I have it in its like original case or whatever. I didn't get an extra case for it because I don't necessarily see the point. Then I got $20 in my bag. I got a little money. You know, I keep big bills on me. So I always keep money in like, since I don't carry a wallet, I keep it in like the pockets of my purse. Because I don't carry a wallet. And then I also have some Carmex right here. Keep my lips moisturized, especially during this winter time. I want to make sure my lips aren't chapped, especially since I'm talking to a lot of people throughout the day. Then I also have, I have my vaccination card in here as well. Yeah, I'm vaccinated. We don't have to talk about it. It's my choice. If you're not vaccinated, that's cool. That's your choice. We're not gonna fight about it. I don't care. I just keep that in my bag in case like I go out to a restaurant and they ask for it. I haven't lost it yet. I also have a picture of it on my phone. But in case I do lose it or I leave it in a different bag or something like that, I have it in my phone. But I've just been carrying it in my purse because it's the purse I've been carrying since I've been working. It's just been, this has been my go-to purse. I haven't really switched out purses for anything really. And then I have my work ID. I'm not gonna show you my work ID because then it shows you where I work and like the building where I'm working at. I have my work ID. It gets me into the building and into the office. If you don't have your building pass, you can't get into the building. And if you don't have your office pass, you can't get into the office unless I say so, because I control the door too. Okay, and then I also have some, so I have $1.37 worth of change in my bag. Okay, I guess 36 because I dropped a penny. I'm just gonna put it right here. That's where I keep my change. I just have some miscellaneous like bus receipt. Oh, it was the list I made of things that I wanted to get from Target, which I never did anyway. I never went to Target. That was it for everything that I keep in my work bag. We are empty. Oh, I am actually switching work bags. My Telfar bag just came, so I'm about to like put everything that was in this bag into my Telfar bag. So yes, I am doing an unboxing video for that as well. So stay tuned for that. If the Telfar video comes out before this what's in my bag video, I'm gonna link it in the cards and description box, so make sure you check that out as well. So that is it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure you give me a big old thumbs up to let YouTube know that you like this video and to let me know that you like this video as well. Make sure you leave a comment down below. What do you keep in your work bag if you like work an office job or if you like work outside of the home? What do you keep in your work bag? Okay, I'm interested to know. So if you didn't get to the beginning of the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification button so you are notified every single time I post, because I'm on my way to 3K and I want you guys with me every step of the way. I love you all so much and I can't wait to see you in my next one. Bye.
Alright, they asking for the queen. I'm a bad bitch, she's a savage. Look back while I twerk. No comparison. I'm a